people now, over the last 20 or 30 years, have been having sex at an earlier and earlier age. So the median age is now 16. But that means that a lot of people, and in fact, typically people who have higher levels of education often have their first sex a bit later than that. Remember, a median is 50% of the population, so many people have sex after the age of 16, clearly. But it's also a time where people are likely to have highest rates of partner change, relationship breakup, and so on and so forth. And so they tend to be at highest risk of sexually transmitted infections at that age group.
Personally, for me, I would say like about 16, 17 was the average age, but yeah.
You get forced into those situations at an early age.
Do you think it's a problem?
No.
I think people are ready at different times. 16 is like the national age, whatever it's meant to be, but that an age doesn't define you.
I don't know, if you want to do it and you're aware of what you're doing, and I think it's obviously if the other person's around the same age, then I don't see the problem with it.
I think it varies from person to person. Like, you've got to just do it when you're ready for it, really. Yeah.
If we understand how many people and at what age they have their first intercourse, that's really important for things like contraception services, for sex education in schools, for providing services for HIV testing, STI transmission, and really understanding what people's attitudes are to these areas. Important to remember that London remains an area where there is still the highest rates of STI transmission and very much the highest rates of HIV transmission, particularly amongst men who have sex with men. So there are important ways of people protecting themselves and hopefully having safe, consensual and happy sexual relationships.